Hey guys, so as we all know, Bitcoin has been pumping to 73,000, but right now we have a little bit of retracement. But if you are looking in this chart, you can see we are still making higher highs and higher lows, which is really bullish, means that we are still going up. And if we go below 62,000, that's the only place where I would be a little bit of concerned. But looking at the fact that Bitcoin is always going up significantly when we are around the presidential elections, basically the final days, and yes, in the November of 5th November, the votes will be counted and we will see the new president. I think either way, Bitcoin will go up. If President Trump gets elected, we will definitely go significantly higher. But if the Kamala is elected, I think we are still going up because people will turn away from politics and just go all in Bitcoin because they will be done with everything. That's why I predict really bullish November, especially the next 5 to 7 days. I think we will reach a new Bitcoin all-time high in the 5 to 7 days maximum, because that's how the charts are looking. Everything is bullish. China is giving 1.4 trillion yens or something like that in stimulus. That's why overall, don't fade the crypto. Do your research, gaming, AI, runes. There are so many good opportunities to buy right now, in my opinion. NFTs still. I think NFTs will go parabolic in 2025, but after we reach new all-time high, we go to 80,000, 90,000, the retail will be here. Coinbase will be the most popular app on the Google App Store, on the Apple App Store. And that's why we are living in the bullish times. And I look at this view. I am next to the sea. I actually moved in the new house and I am 300 meters from the sea, so I will be making more content because this is beautiful. Next 2 years, insane views, insane content. I hope we will experience a crypto bull run for the next 1-2 years. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.